Okay, hello there, we meet again. I'm Firdaus Aris, and today I'm gonna show you on how to fix a USB disk problem which is not shown in the Windows Explorer. As you can see, I plug in the device and you can see the device is been plugged in. Okay, in the earlier tutorial, the previous video, I've shown you how to do it with this management, but today I'm gonna show you on how to solve it using command prompt, which is very easy way to do it. I'm gonna show you. We remove this letter so it will not be recognized by the Windows Explorer, and whenever you plug in into your Windows PC, it won't be recognized. This is how I do it with command prompt. Okay, let's see. Type in command prompt CMD and run as administrator. Always do this, always run as administrator. Okay, click yes, and we go to this part without space. Okay, this part you will need to type on list volume. Okay, here you can see it is a volume 6 here, removable, 14 GB size, healthy, info is not hidden. That's great. Select volume 6. Okay, select the volume, type in assign letter as F. Assign letter equal to F. Okay, this part successfully okay, successfully assign the drive letter or mount a point. Okay, this is how we do it, and the USB disk was shown in the Windows Explorer. You won't have any problem with the USB drive ever again if you know how to do it right. Okay, that's all for my tutorial today. Keep watching for my video. Please subscribe or comment below, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. Support guys. Thanks.